If your iPhone does not charge to 100% and instead it always stops at 80% or 90% or something similar, it's usually because you have a feature enabled that's actually designed to expand your battery's lifespan. And to change that, we can go to Settings and then go to Battery. Then scroll down to Charging, and here there's a toggle for Optimized Battery Charging. This basically allows you to set a charging limit for the battery, so I can limit my battery to 80%, for example. And now, when I plug my phone in, it's not going to charge it past 80%. The idea here is to prevent your phone from charging all the way to 100%, because lithium-ion batteries, by nature, they don't like to be completely full or completely empty. Those extremes will kind of degrade the battery's lifespan faster. So keeping the charge limit to somewhere below 100 can be good if you want to make sure your battery continues to perform as well as possible for as many years as possible. But if you want to turn that off and have it at a 100%, you can either go here and turn it off until tomorrow if you just want to do one-time full charge, or you could just completely turn it off. Now when I plug in my phone, it's going to charge to a full 100% every time. And that's how you fix your battery charging issues. Subscribe for more, click the like button if this helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks all!